500 mufflers. I thought they would be quieter.
No way.
As it turns out, they're way the f louder.
Here she is, the finished product. Not everything's crossed off the list, but most everything is crossed off the list.
Got some strippers. Yeah, then we'll paint.
Looks good though, man. Damn.
Yeah, I mean it's definitely not been hit by a 350Z in that corner.
Look at the quarter panel on this thing. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, you got a PDR right there.
Minor dents comparatively, and he's got the new fenders on here. Those look nice.
It looks thick with the side skirts, but it's
dude, it looks good. Just gotta do some paint work. We're gonna get these side skirts all prepped and ready to paint.
This stuff is gnarly, dude. I'll breathe it. For real.
It really doesn't smell that great, I'll be honest.
Yeah. It's like
out of all the things I've smelled in my life, this is one of the worst.
Smell, yeah.
Yeah. Look at this. Last time I saw John this liberal, it was back in 2008.
Yeah, I ruined a couple of nice clothes yesterday, so I'm not wearing them.
As if you had nice clothes to begin with.
Damn, I really like that after.
Damn.
This is so gross, dude. I can fit more than a credit card in here right now. That's so bad.
You can fit 3 fingers easily in there.
Yeah. The rear end needs to be high school prom night. I like how you're like 3 layers of denim right now. Can I hold this? Can I hold this?
God, I'm getting high off the fumes. You can't see the fumes up there, but you can smell them.
Coming off anymore. You know how my bumper used to fall off every lap?
Yeah,
not doing it anymore.
She won't no more.
Anywhere. Not going. Where are you going? Nowhere. Where are you going? It's like got the new clips and everything underneath, which were all broken, all this plastic paneling, but then I took one of the body bolts out, which is like actually threaded, and then just put a really long one through each side. So these are never coming off again.
Perfect.
And it's actually attached to the bottom. Oh, you can see this. All of my PCV stuff that was underneath the trunk.
Oh, look at that. Relocated into the trunk.
So we need to make a false floor. And my jack goes here, and this stays here.
That's sweet.
So now we can go lower with the rear end.
She's become quite the unit.
The unit. Totally eats the paint. It like fuses with the paint and becomes this like gel state. We just have to get it off before it hardens. And then we'll have to sand it and clean it with mineral spirits and yada 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 10,000 things.
But that really loosens it up and strips it.
Yeah, dude, that's like, you gotta understand, this is like the second time we've done this. There was 4 layers of primer and at least 3 layers of paint on everything, and at least 2 layers of clear with a giant flow coat on top. So that's like 10 layers of fucking paint, and it just blew it off. Wait until we do the front bumper. It's wild how quickly the whole clear and top coat comes off. The primer is actually kind of hard. You don't think this is the coolest thing you've ever seen, paint-wise? To remove all the primer and shit? We have not yet. This is all we've used is fuel wool and that spray can and scraper. This is all because I used the wrong primer. If you're gonna paint urethane, you have to use a bonding primer. I hit the first speed bump and just shattered my side skirts. Like all the paint on them. It was the most heartbreaking thing ever. Someone send us money so I can fix my tooth.
Now we're pushing it.
Yeah, I know.
OnlyFans account to fix John's tooth.
Yeah. Do we have fans? We've got like 5. The Beer Can Mustang car had at least like 50 views a video, right?
Yeah.
So how much money do we make? $1?
Probably.
Probably 2?
At least 30 cents.
At least 30 cents, okay. Do you remember when we used to go out together instead of locking ourselves away here, working on craft? That was cool, those were the days. Front bumper removal. We took apart 2 cars, I have a lot of extra hardware.
Oh, you just throw the hardware.
No, we say a lot. We can hold the car.
There you go. You know, building a race car I thought was kind of hard. I think building a regular car again, probably way harder. Sorry, Steve, about your face.
You know what the opposite is of a perfect match? A non-perfect match. I don't know. This shit never matches.
It really matches this car.
Okay, yeah, sure she does. It's like finding your perfect match on Tinder. It may say it's perfect, but Lord knows that ain't the case.
Sick, right?
Yeah, it is. I can find why the other one's stopped. Is that the highway? Yeah, that's